Good morning, students. This is Sanjay Vishwakarma from Yes Convent Senior Secondary School, Shaurmai, Sultanpur. Students, today I am going to teach a special topic is related to the English grammar, that is sentence and its kind. Now, I am going to explain one by one and firstly explain what is the sentence and what is its kind and how to identify a sentence. Now, let's start. First of all, we should know what is your sentence and how we can recognize a sentence. Let's look on the board. Sentence sentence means a group a groups of group of sentence means a group of words which gives a meaningful sense which gives a meaningful sense. SCENCE. A group of words which gives a meaningful sense is called a sentence. I think you understood. Sentence a group of words. मतलब शब्दों का वा समूह. It means group of words. A group of words which give a meaningful sense is called sentence. If we for example, Hari is a student. First of all, we have to start a capital letters. A sentence is start with a capital letter and after that use the punctuations. Punctuations means full stops, question marks, exclamatory marks, that is the punctuations. After that it gives the a meaningful sense. It gives the एक meaningful sense. Hari is a student. Hari एक विद्यार्थी है. And second sentence is he was a business man. This sentence start with a capital letters and end with a punctuation marks and give a meaningful sense. That is the sentence. Sentence have a different kinds of the contents and to compile the all contents, after that it create a sentence. First is subject, second is helping verb, and third is a businessman. This is the object. It's reflect he. He was a businessman. mine. It means it is the sentence. And now going to next point, its kind, मतलब इसके प्रकार, its kinds, its kind. Kinds. Kinds. First is that declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Second is that interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Third is that imperative sentence. Fourth is that exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. I think you are a student of class 8, class 7, class 6, that you should know what is its kind. You should know what is its kind, and what is the meaning of the declarative sentence, and what is the meaning of the interrogative sentence, and after that what is the meaning of the imperative sentence, and fourth is that what is the meaning of the exclamatory sentence. I think if you don't know, I am going to explain one by one of each sentence. First is that declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. And the second name of its affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Declarative sentence या affirmative sentence. A sentence, what is mean declarative sentence? इसे सकारात्मक वाक्य या साधारण वाक्य हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Now, declarative sentence, a sentence which express fact, information, and statement. That is the declarative sentence. A sentence which express the fact मतलब कोई तथ्य के बारे में, informations इट्स मीन्स एनी किसी सूचना के बारे में, एंड नेक्स्ट इज दैट स्टेटमेंट्स किसी प्रकार के कथन के बारे में, अगर ये एक्सप्रेस कर रहा हो इन द सेंस ऑफ द अफर्मेशन और इन द सेंस ऑफ द negotiations. That is, for example, Radha is a wise girl. राधा इज अ वाइज गर्ल. राधा एक बुद्धिमान लड़की है. इट मीन्स इज एक्सप्रेस एनी टाइप ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशंस अबाउट राधा. इट सेंटेंस गिव द एनी इंफॉर्मेशंस अबाउट द राधा. दैट इज द डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. इफ वी इन द सेंस ऑफ द सिंपल सेंटेंस या affirmative. And second is that the car is not running on the road. This is also a type of the informations. This is also a type of the informations. Sorry, the THE. The car is not running on the road. It means cars road पर दौड़ नहीं रही है. It is also give the information, but is information the negotiations. It means negative. This give the negative informations. That is also a declarative sentence. I think you have to understood about the what is the declarative and affirmative by the definition and its example. Now let's going to the next point, interrogative sentence. Let's going to second is that interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, this is the two types, yes या no types, and second is WH questions. First is yes or no type, and second is that WH questions. WH question. Yes and no types is denote the interrogative sentence. It's give the answer in yes या no. It means, are you going to school? You can say yes, I am going to school. That is the yes and no type. If the questions is raising and you have to give what is the meaning, and you have to give any reason, your cause in respect of its answer. It means, where do you live? Where do you live? You have to mention the many answers. I live in Sultanpur. I live in Delhi. It means that is the WH questions. There is two types. And the sentence constructions, the sentence structures also different to each others. Now, going to give a example. Are you a are you a villager? Are you a villager? क्या आप ग्रामीण हो, मतलब आप गांव के रहने वाले हो? तो आप कह सकते हैं कि यस आम a villager. Sorry. This is the way of sentence, interrogative sentence, and type of yes या no. The second is, what is your name? You have to mention and also indicate question mark punctuations. You should not forget it in the end of the sentence. You also have to mention interrogative sentence. Then you can recognize and you can indicate a type of the interrogative sentence. What is your name? So you can say, sorry, you can say my name is this. What is you can mention? My name is this. Yeah, my name is Rahul. So you have to give a information related to question. This is the type of sentence. इसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द कंस्ट्रक्शन जो होता है बेटा, कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या होता है? कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ सेंटेंस. हाउ कैन यू कंस्ट्रक्ट ए यस नो टाइप सेंटेंस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट plus extra. This is the construction of sentence type of yes or no type. And second is that construction में WH question plus helping verb relate to subject according to the subject. If subject is singular, you use the helping verb singular. If subject is plural, you have to use the subject helping verb is plural. And WH question, helping verb, subject, and after that verb. After that verb. WH question, helping verb, subject, verb. The verb relate to the type of sentence. Sentence is the past, so you have to use the verb second form. If sentence is present indefinite tense, you have to sentence is first form. मतलब it means base form. तो इसमें आपका subject, verb, object and extra. This is the construction of the integrated sentence type of yes or no type, and second is type of the WH questions. And now next is that, and third is the imperative sentence, and fourth is the exclamative sentence. I think what I have taught you relate to the sentence. First is declarative sentence, affirmative sentence. Second is that interrogative sentence, and it's also there is two branches, yes or no types, and second is WH questions. I think you have got it. And in the after second and third, the part of the kind sentence, I will teach you in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.